di Normal di Roma ada sate ini.
Berapa?
Berapa?
Hello everybody. What's up? Selamat datang di CAHAYA'S World. Two worlds, satu hati. CAHAYA'S World. I'm Manel.
Halo teman-teman, selamat datang di my vlog CAHAYA'S World. Hari ini Cahaya ada free day, jadi kita mau ke mall yang paling gede dari Roma.
Iya.
Let's go.
X is complex, X is undefined. X is what they never saw. X is pressure, X is yours to solve. X is the work they don't see. We often don't know we're lost until we've gone too far. We may not be perfect, may not be ideal, may make mistakes, may not always make the right decisions, but that is when we should stand up and say, hey, I'm not done with you. I will be brave and go through, I will stay strong, even though it takes time to build ourselves. Together we can be the best of us till the very end. X is us, we can be with question and answer in life. 'Cause maybe we're a note and undefined, but that's 'cause we still haven't found the key.
Teman-teman, kalian ingat gak waktu kita ke Normal dan bikin shopping? Hari ini kita ketemu sama Normal di Roma. Dan ini sate sos. Sate sos. Kayaknya sate kacang. Wow, di Normal di Roma ada sate ini.
Berapa?
Berapa?
Ayo yang
Cuma 2 euro. Ini 2 euro.
Buat papa.
Buat papa. Ayo kita ambil buat papa.
Souvenir. Italian souvenir. Sate. Nice.
May not be perfect, may not be ideal, may make mistakes, may not always make the right decision. That is when we should stand up and say, may not be perfect, may not be ideal, may make mistakes, may not.
Hey, Mr. King. Makan apa? Toy and for Mama. Yay, Manel. The pink and the yellow. Enjoy your meal, sama makan.
Oke friends, jadi sekarang setelah kita udah makan, kita mau ke bioskop buat nonton Spider-Man. Dan Cahaya mau sama teman-temannya Cahaya sama mau nonton Spider-Man bahasa Italia, karena saya juga harus latihan bahasa Italia. Dan Manel sama Mama mau nonton bahasa Inggris. Yes, let's go.
darker. Manel has to wait until 2:30. 2:30. So, Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Wow! Väljer då. Otto! Of course. Thank you. Let's see. Okay. Which one is it, Marvin? Mr. Figure. And Mama wanted Goofy.
You can choose it there.
Oh, thank you. That's really cute.
Gotta take the risk, gotta work hard, gotta show them what you really are. If you fall down, hold my hand, I'll take you up.
Spoons? Take the spoon. Nej, börja med colaflaskor.
Get up early, another day is waiting. Don't be lazy, wouldn't want you find you failing. Four-letter word, W-O-R-K. Seems little, you don't know what you're saying. Come on, A. I'm in the center, see. Just have to find the key. What you waiting for? Or love when you're on your knees, begging please. But that's not how it's done. You gotta work. If you ever get the chance,
Yeah, some cinema machine. Manel, nervous for the movie?
I don't think it's for kids.
But you're not a kid. You're the king kid. It will be okay.
Because even the game for Spider-Man, it's plus 16.
Okay, but they sold us a ticket. We will see, okay? In Italy, it's different. Let's see. Sala uno. Let's go to the first one. Let's see. And a special pack.
If you ever get the chance, then take it. You never know if it will be the last open door you've heard. Gotta take the risk, gotta work hard, gotta show them what you really are. If you fall down, hold my hand, I'll take you up.
Mystery. My box. Paper. Just paper.
You wake up tired, full of lies. You always think you're just a plastic doll.
But we're watching Spider-Man.
You
Why is it Ant-Man?
want to
Okay, let me
know
see.
your feelings
Close
too,
up.
but after all I've learned you're too scared to try it again.
Oh,
Stand in front of
I
the
wanted
mirror,
Goofy.
comparing yourself to
But
the
we're going to watch
others,
Spider-Man.
thinking that
Okay.
you're not perfect.
It's okay.
But guess what? No one is. I love
Pausa.
all of your lovely imperfections.
Det är som 8 minuters paus mitt i bion. En kissepaus eller? En kisse. Om man vill gå på toa eller göra någonting och köpa mer. Det bara tog en paus.
Everyone is unique.
Okej, det är otroligt.
We don't have to be all the plain same. We're always told unique is gold, but it seems
Okej,
no
Manel.
one cares anyway. Yeah.
Cahaya. Hey bagaimana?
Cahaya juga bahasa Italia sedikit lebih susah, tapi Cahaya ngerti almost. Dan teman-temannya Cahaya juga bantu Cahaya. Jadi wah, Cahaya juga nangis sedikit. Iya. Sama mama juga iya.
Okay, let's go.
Love your lovely imperfections. You wanna be the same without them. They make you brave, they make you strong, they make you be who you really are. Whoa.
After 1 week of extreme heat, the rain is coming.
Cover of the magazine, they will always tell you the prettiest one way. But in reality, your beauty comes from within. I love all of your lovely
dia lebih kecil.
Apa itu? Alah, bola, memain. Semangka bola. Venga, hujan, es kan? Hujan. Oke, for the bus.
Kalian ingat gak waktu Cahaya ke konser Twice juga begini es kita di Roma.
Ada es di Roma. In August, 2nd of August, raining ice.
Sitting on an airplane, praying for my ex-friend, hoping she will realize there's no end in that sick game of hers. It's time to face the truth. You can't fool us anymore. Sick of all your lies. Let's count up the ones you told. You beat us once, not twice, not twice. Now I won't let you take me down again.
Oke friends, Cahaya udah di rumah dan hari ini di mall kita beli
Flip flops.
dari Primark. Cahaya juga bisa beli t-shirt BTS, BT21 karena Cahaya suka banyak dari juga konsernya yang Cahaya udah nonton di Belgia, ada di sini vlognya. Juga di sini ada kayak snacks, ada kayak ini M&M special cookie dough dari di dalamnya. Wah, dari normal. Of course di normal ada semua dan murah banget.
Oke.
Iya, terima kasih udah nonton vlog ini ya. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Terima kasih.
Apa?
Subscribe.
Bye.
Hello everybody. What's up? Selamat datang di Cahaya's World.